Hello, and welcome to Government Procurement Solutions. In this video, we will walk through starting a for-profit and nonprofit company and what GPS does for you. Let's get started. Starting your dream company does not have to be a tedious venture. Government Procurement Solutions will handle the creation from cradle to grave and consult you on best practices and setting your new company up for success. You come to us with an idea and a dream. We turn it into a tangible reality ready to open for business. First, we will help you come up with a name for your new company that matches your vision and helps you be memorable and competitive in the market. We will also ensure that a suitable domain is available. Then, we will help you decide on the best corporate structure for your company and services. For a single-member company or sole proprietorship, a limited liability company would be the best option due to providing members with less personal liability and legal formalities than an S corporation would. Simply, this means that your personal assets, like your car, house, and savings account, won't be at risk in case your LLC faces bankruptcy or lawsuits. LLCs also allow members that are not U.S. citizens. LLCs permit ownership by another corporation, which is great if you are starting out with help or funding from a larger corporation that wants an ownership stake in your company. However, taxes on S corporations are lower than on LLCs. As an LLC owner, you'll incur steep self-employment taxes on all net earnings from your business, whereas an S corporation classification would allow you to only pay those taxes on the salary you take from your company. If there will be multiple people involved in running the company, an S Corp would be better than an LLC since there would be oversight via the board of directors. Also, members can be employees, and an S Corp allows the members to receive cash dividends from company profits, which can be a great employee perk. All members in an S corporation must be U.S. citizens. Once the name and structure have been established, GPS will file your company with your Secretary of State and the IRS under the appropriate structure. If you would like your company name to be something shorter or different from your legal name, we can also file a doing business as or trade name. From there, the possibilities are endless. We can get you registered on sam.gov, complete your legal documents, and offer any certifications your new company will qualify for. We also have partners that can design your website and capability statement, complete a market analysis in your industry, or get you started with funding via SBA and other business loans. Government Procurement Solutions has helped many fulfill their dreams to give back to their community and start a nonprofit organization. We have even helped them apply for federal grants to get started or complete a large project. We have created nonprofits for education, arts, humanities, social causes, and so much more. If you can dream it, we can do it. The process to start a nonprofit organization is almost identical to a for-profit company, with the main difference being your IRS filing status. First, let's understand the differences between each IRS tax-exempt filing status. The IRS lists up to 29 different tax-exempt classifications, with the three common being 501c3, 501c4, and 501c6. When you think of a standard nonprofit organization such as an animal shelter, a scholarship foundation, etc., those fall under 501c3 status. The 501c3 designation classifies anything that is considered a public charity, religious and educational institutions, public safety organizations, etc. These types of nonprofits typically get most of their revenue either from the general public or the government. Specifically, 501c3 organizations must get at least a third of their donations from public support. This designation has the most benefits for donors, and they can deduct donations from their taxes up to 60% of their income for individuals and up to 10% for corporations. However, 501c3 organizations can file an additional status that enables political lobbying, but they are severely restricted in this activity. Next up is 501c4. This classification is for any social welfare organization or civic leagues. These are required to further the common good and welfare of an entire community. Any organization for women's rights, LGBTQ rights, or other minority group rights fall under 501c4. Unlike a 501c3, 501c4 organizations can conduct political lobbying with significantly fewer restrictions. The last classification we will discuss is the 501c6. The IRS designated this classification for business leagues, real estate boards, chambers of commerce, professional sport leagues, etc. Those in this group have to promote the interests of their members and give their members notice if their dues are being used for lobbying. Unlike the other classifications funded primarily on donations, 501c6 organizations are funded by membership dues which are tax deductible to their members. All these classifications share the common fact that they must be established for a purpose other than the financial benefit of their directors. While directors and employees can draw salary, there are penalties imposed on those who use the organization for their personal gain. So, what are you waiting for? Take the leap and start the company or nonprofit organization you've always dreamed of with Government Procurement Solutions. We handle the tedious paperwork so you can focus on the enjoyable part, growing your company. Contact us now for a free consultation so we can work together on making your vision a reality. We didn't get here alone, and neither will you. We look forward to making your American dreams come true.